TRYBERG Machinery presents TRYBERG TWM-180, a new generation welding tractor. TRYBERG TWM-180 is a self-propelled multi-operator paywelder which offers an up-to-date solution for welding automation in the course of construction of trunk pipelines, for crude oil and gas pipelines, petrochemical facilities, as well as water supply pipelines. TRYBERG TWM-180 welding machine is specifically designed for heavy-duty welding operations on large diameter pipelines. The advantage of the TWM series welding tractor is that it uses a single power unit for movement and generation of welding current, which reduces maintenance costs by half. Hydraulically driven self-propelled tracked chassis are designed for cross-country mobility and have the following features: 180 horsepower Cummins engine for uninterrupted operation of the current generator. 112 kilowatt Stamford generator supplying power to welders like the Lincoln DC400 and their analogues, combined with a mobile feeding mechanism of self-shielded welding wire LN23P for semi-automatic welding. The work compartment of the TRYBERG TWM-180 allows to install up to 4 welding inverters. It is equipped with special vibration absorbing dampers made of high quality rubber. The moisture-proof electrical cabinet is equipped with a digital display of the current parameters, ventilation and 380 and 220 volt outdoor sockets. A highly reliable high-ab crane with an extensible telescopic boom, the lifting capacity of 4 tons, the lifting moment of 9 ton meters, and a long life performance. There is no longer need to lift gas bottles manually, as TRYBERG paywelders are equipped with a hydraulic bottle lifter. The sealed cabin is equipped with a high-capacity air heater, fan and air conditioner. With a multi-language liquid crystal display, it shows the parameters of the engine, such as its oil pressure and water temperature. Highest quality components and parts of globally recognized manufacturers guarantees minimum operating costs. Doosan hydrostatic drive, Cummins diesel engine, Stamford current generator, Saur Danfoss hydraulic pump, Bosch Rexroth hydraulic components, Hiab crane manipulator. TRYBERG TWM-180 reduces production costs by replacing a wide range of equipment, compressors, generators, welding and lifting equipment, combined together in one universal self-propelled module. TRYBERG, equipment for pipeline construction.